You're welcome to this channel and a review of this fantastic never-before-seen app. ContentClaw is positioned as a powerful AI audience-building machine designed to help you get seen everywhere without creating content yourself. Pick a niche, let the AI build the brand, and watch it publish across 15 major platforms automatically. Instead of spending hours writing captions, filming videos, designing graphics, or scheduling posts, ContentClaw handles the heavy lifting for you. It can generate and publish up to 45 pieces of content per day, giving your niche brand constant visibility while you focus on the bigger picture. The big promise is simple. Your audience is the new email list, and ContentClaw helps you build that audience faster. Followers, viewers, fans, and subscribers across platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X, Pinterest, and more become your traffic engine. ContentClaw uses TrendRadar to scan for proven viral concepts in your niche every few hours. Then its ContentForge engine recreates those ideas into fresh, platform-ready content designed to match each platform's format and style. This is not just another scheduler like Buffer or Hootsuite. ContentClaw creates the content, adapts it, posts it, tracks growth, and helps monetize the audience from one simple dashboard. Monetization is built right into the system, with hosted bio-link pages, affiliate link auto-injection, offer rotation, click tracking, creator fund alerts, and even media kit generation. Once your audience starts growing, ContentClaw is designed to help turn attention into clicks, leads, and potential commissions. It is also built for simplicity, making it beginner-friendly even if you have no tech skills. You can choose from 30-plus pre-researched profitable niches or enter your own, and the AI can create names, avatars, logos, bios, and brand identities for each audience. For marketers, creators, affiliates, and entrepreneurs, the time savings are massive. Instead of paying thousands per month for freelancers, social media managers, growth tools, and schedulers, ContentClaw aims to replace the entire content and audience workflow with one AI-powered system. The premium plan includes 3 complete AI audiences, 15 platform posting, viral intelligence, AI images, growth charts, encrypted account management, training, support, and fast action bonuses. There is also a bigger bundle option with unlimited audiences, agency tools, white label features, smarter monetization, advanced analytics, and extra AI products. Best of all, the launch offer is presented as a low one-time entry price with no monthly fees for early buyers, plus a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you want an exciting shortcut to building niche audiences, posting consistently, and creating monetization opportunities without living on social media, ContentClaw makes a bold and compelling case. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Great bonuses await when you grab this through my link in the description.